Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to enable service message email notifications. So first we're going to go to our AliExpress app. So next we're going to click on account. Then click on settings on the top right corner. So once you're here, you're going to click on notification settings. Then again, you're going to click on email subscriptions. As you can see, the services option is turned off. You're going to turn it on. So now you're going to get updates on account notices or alerts. Then you guys can continue with your shopping. They have different items. You guys could browse through them. We also have different videos in our how-to tutorials. Make sure to check them out. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.